Deepika Padukone and Farah Khan, who have shared a close bond for years, are in the spotlight again due to their recent social media activity. The two have unfollowed each other on Instagram, sparking rumors and curiosity among fans about the state of their relationship. The duo has a long history together, with Farah launching Deepika in the 2007 hit Om Shanti Om. Over the years, their friendship has been celebrated in the media, but now, this sudden shift in their social media behavior has raised eyebrows. Fans are left wondering if there's trouble between the two or if it's just a misunderstanding. Although it's unclear when or why they unfollowed each other, the change has caught the public's attention. Adding fuel to the fire, Farah Khan recently made a few comments that seemed to take a dig at Deepika's alleged demand for an 8-hour workday. In one of her YouTube vlogs, Farah had a conversation with actress Radhika Madan about the intensity of the industry's work culture. Farah jokingly asked Radhika if she had an 8-hour shift, to which Radhika responded by describing grueling work hours of 56 hours non-stop or 48 hours non-stop. Farah then responded with a playful comment, "ऐसे टपके ही तो सोना बनता है. This is how gold is made." These remarks quickly became fodder for speculation, with many interpreting them as indirect references to Deepika's work ethic. However, Farah Khan has now spoken out to clarify the situation and address the growing rumors. In a recent interview, she dismissed the idea that the Instagram unfollowing was a big deal. According to Farah, the two had made a pact during the Happy New Year shoot to avoid communicating via Instagram. Instead, they agreed to reach out to each other through direct messages or phone calls. Farah explained, "To begin with, we were not following each other earlier too. We had made a pact during Happy New Year shoot that we don't communicate on Instagram, instead direct message and call." Farah also clarified her earlier comment about the 8-hour workday, stating that it was not a personal dig at Deepika. She explained, "My 8-hour comment wasn't a dig, it was to make Dileep say that he will now also work 8 hours when he actually works just for 2 hours. Further addressing the situation, Farah reminded everyone that not everything is meant to be showcased on social media. She shared a personal anecdote, revealing that she was one of the first people to visit Deepika after the birth of her daughter, Dua. "No one even knows I was one of the first few people who went to see Deepika when Dua was born. Not everything is done for Instagram and Paps." Farah also expressed frustration with the growing trend of turning harmless comments or actions into controversies. She recalled a recent incident with Karan Johar and Ayush Sharma at an event, where the media falsely claimed they had ignored him. This new trend of making anything into a fake controversy has to stop. Last week it was that Karan and I ignored Ayush on the red carpet, when in reality we had just met him down before coming up. Finally, Farah emphasized how these rumors can harm relationships, but she is quick to clear things up when misunderstandings arise. It can genuinely cause problems between people. Thankfully, I pick up the phone and call them before it gets worse. But people need to stop doing this. So, despite the social media buzz, Farah Khan and Deepika Padukone's friendship appears to be intact. The key takeaway: not everything on Instagram reflects the reality of relationships, and sometimes it's best to keep things offline.